What you waiting on, Kaylee?
Prize.
What's the prize?
The one that I'm eating right now.
Okay, I think we're ready. Keep your eyes closed.
I'm not peeking.
The big day we've all been waiting for.
Here you go.
Look in the bag.
What's in it?
Look in it. Careful with the bag, though, because I haven't had that bag back.
Is it something big?
Pretty big. What is it?
It's a skateboard!
Got purple grip tape on it too. Nobody else has purple grip tape, do they? Not yet, anyway.
Take it out. Let me see it. It's your own big girl skateboard.
We
A
get,
real one.
we get to put it together too.
Yeah. Check that out.
Mommy's got you some Powerpuff Girl stickers to go on it too.
Let me have that.
Cool wheel!
We'll have to get this tool to put it together with.
What do you think, Kaylee?
I like it.
Ready to go skateboarding now?
Is that a cool surprise? Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Alright, go. Yeah!
Can I go fast enough?
Yeah.